Hello student, I am Pramod sir, your maths teacher. Welcome to everybody today's online class. Student, today I am going to start your new exercise of chapter 11 perimeter and area. So exercise number which today I am going to start, that is 11.3. So student, I am taking the first question of the exercise 11.3. So firstly I am writing the question, student. Question first is saying find the circumference of the circles with the following radius. With the following radius. With the following radius. And question is saying take pi is equal to 22 upon 7. So student, this question has 3 parts, but here I am taking only 2 parts for A and B. Part C you will do yourself, student. Part A is saying 14 centimeter, B is 28 millimeter and C is 21 centimeter. This is homework for you. So student, part C you will do yourself according to part A and B. So here I am going to solve the part A and B. Firstly student, read the question. Find the circumference of the radius with the following radius. Take value of pi is given in the question, student, 22 upon 7. It means on the place of pi you can write 22 upon 7. So find the circumference of the circle. So student, I have told you in my introduction video that which formula you will use for finding the circumference of the circle. So student, part A I am going to solve it. A 14 centimeter is the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle is equal to 14 centimeter. It is given. ये दिया हुआ है. We need to find out the circumference. Very easy student. Direct write the formula and put the value of the radius in the formula and find the circumference of the circle. So we know that circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r, student. You know very well. Circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r and the value of pi is given 22 upon 7. So on the place of pi you can write 22 upon 7 and value of radius is given in the question already. So put all the value. 2 into 22 upon 7 into r. R is equal to 14, student. So on the place of r you can write 14. Now solve it. Divide 14 by 7 to 22 to ja 44 and 44 to ja 88 centimeter. 88 centimeter. This is the circumference of the circle. This is my answer, student. This is my answer. So I hope, student, you have understood very well this question. As same, you will solve the part B also. So here B radius is equal to 28 millimeter. It is given. And we know that same statement you will write, student. Circumference of the circle is equal to, formula is student 2 pi r, and put all the value in this formula. 2 into pi, on the place of pi you can write 22/7, it is given in the question, and on the place of r you can write 28. 7 4 ja 28. Now multiply all the numbers and get the answer. 22 2 ja 44, 44 4 ja 4 4 ja 16, and 4 4 ja 16 and 1 17, 167 millimeter. This is the circumference of the circle. So student, according to these two parts you will solve the part number C. Is your homework. So I hope student you have understood this question very well. So come to the next question, student. That is the question number 2. So firstly I erase it. Question number 2 is saying, student, find the area of the following circles, given that radius, part A, student, radius 14 millimeter, and take, in question given, take pi is equal to 22/7. And part B, student, part B is diameter is equal to 49 meter, and part C is homework for you. So student, this question is very easy also, and in this question directly we need to find out the area of the circle, and radius is given in part A, and diameter is given in the part B. So student, I am going to solve the part A. Radius of the circle is equal to 14 millimeter, and pi is equal to 22/7 is given, and we know we need to find out the area. So we use the areas formula for finding the area of the circle. So we know that area of the circle is equal to pi r square. You know, this is the formula for finding the area, pi r square. So student, you know, on the place of pi we can write 22 upon 7 and r is given already in the question. So directly we can find out the area 22 upon 7 into 14 square. Like this you can write. It means you can write 14 two times with multiply sign. Means 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14. So 7 to the 14. So 22 to the 44 and 44 in 44 into 14. 4 for the 16. 4 for the 16, 1 17, 1 for the 4, 1 for the 4. Add it 6, 7 4 11, 4 1 5 1 6, 616. Means 616 millimeter square. You know, area always written in square unit. So 616 meter square is the area of that circle which radius is 14 millimeter. If we are taking the value of pi is equal to 22 upon 7. As same student, we solve the part B also here. Part B student, part B I am solving here student. Part B, diameter. You know the relation between diameter and radius. Diameter is double of the radius, you know. If it means, if suppose that radius is 2 centimeter, then diameter will be 4 centimeter, double. And in the aspect of radius we can say radius is always half of the diameter. Means radius जो होता है हमेशा diameter का आधा होता है. So if diameter is given, then we can find out easily the radius. Diameter is equal to 49 meter. No, diameter is, yes, 49 meter. Diameter is 49 meter. So radius, you know, radius is half of the diameter. Means diameter upon 2 is equal to 49 upon 2. And we get the student, don't divide it here. In calculation, we divide it. So you have find out the radius and we need to find out area in the question. हमें रेडियस थोड़ी फाइंड आउट करना है, क्वेश्चन कह रहा है फाइंड द एरिया. सो एरिया ऑफ द सर्कल, area of circle is equal to pi r square. So pi is the value of pi is not given in this part. Means we can take 22 upon 7 on the place of pi into r square. R square means 49 upon 2 into 49 upon 2, because r is equal to 49 upon 2. So r square means 49 upon 2 into 49 upon 2. So 7 7s are 49 and 2 11s are 22. So now multiply student, 11 4s are 44 and you can divide 2 2s are 4. No, 7 7s are 49. Sorry student, 7 7s are 49 and 2 11s are 22. Now multiply it, 11 7s are 77 and 49. 77 into 49, multiply here, 9 7s are 63, 6 is carry, 9 7s are 63 and 6, 69, 4 7s are 28, 2 is carry, 4 7s are 28, 2 33, 9, 8, 17, 6, 1, 7 and 3. Means we get the 3773 upon 2. Now divide here by 2. 2 ones are 2. 1 is left. 17. 2 eggs are 16. 117. 2 eggs are 16. 117. 2 6 are 12. 113.25 is 10. 1886.5 meter square is the area of the circle whose diameter is 49 meter. So student, I hope you have understood the question number 2 very well. It is very easy question, student. Direct write the formula and find the answer. So student, come to the next question. That is the question number 3. Firstly, I raise it. Question number 3 is saying, student, if the circumference of a circular sheet, if the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter, find its radius. Find its radius. Find its radius. Also find the area. Find the area. Also find the area of the sheet. And value of pi is given, student. Take pi is equal to 22 upon 7. It is the question, student. Very easy question. The student question is saying, if the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter, means which information is given? Firstly, note it down. Circumference of the circle is equal to 154 meter. 154 meter. 54 meter it is given. ये तो दिया हुआ है circumference. Find its radius. We need to find out the radius. Radius is equal to question mark. Also find the area of the circle. We need to find out the area also. Area and radius we need to find out. So student, how can we find out the radius of the circle if circumference is given? So use the formula for finding the circumference of the circle. Then you will be able to find out the radius. So we know that circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r. You know 2 pi r, student? So circumference is given, student, 154. So on the place of circumference we can write 154 is equal to 2 into 22 upon 7 into r. So we get, student, 154 is equal to 22 into 2, 44 upon 7 into r. So we need to find out the value of r. So we have to transpose 44 upon 7 to the left side. So we have to divide. If in the right side r multiplying, so r is equal to, student, r is equal to 154 divided by 44 upon 7. So we can make the denominator as 1 into, you know how to divide the two fraction, 7 upon 44. 7 upon 44. By the 11 we can divide. 11 4 ja 44 and 11 1 ja 11. 11 14 ja 154. So and now we can divide. 2 2 ja 4 and 2 7 ja 14. That is 7 into 7 is equal to 49 upon 2. Now divide it, student. 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, 1 9, 2 5 ja 10. This is meter. 24.5 meter is the radius of the circle if circumference is 154. And now you have find out the radius 24 upon 24.5 meter. So you can find out easily the area. Therefore now area of the circle is equal to pi r square, and you know pi, the value of pi you can take 22 upon 7 into r square 24.5. So you can write, it's left it 24.5 into 24.5. This is the radius. Now divide it. 7 3 ja 21, 7 5 ja 35, 3.5. Now multiply it, student. 24.5 into 3.5. 5 5 ja 25, 5 4 ja 20 and 2 22, 5 2 ja 10 to 12, 3 5 ja 15, 3 4 ja 12 1 13, 3 2 ja 6 1 carry 7, 5 5 2 7, 3 2 5, 7 1 8. And after 2 digits we use the decimal point 85.75. When we are multiplying 24.5 and 3.5 together, then in this product means 85.75 we have to multiply by 22. So 2 5 ja 10, 2 7 ja 14, 2 5 ja 10, 2 7 ja 14, 1 15, 2 5 ja 10 and 1 11, 2 8 ja 16 and 1 17, 2 5 ja 10, 2 7 ja 14, 1 15, 2 5 ja 10 and 1 11, 2 8 ja 16 and 1 17. We get, student, when we add 5 1 6 7 1 8 7 1 8 and 1, and after 2 digits we use the decimal point 1886.50. 1886.50 will be the, this is the decimal point, student, meter square meter square. This is the area of the circle and this is the radius of the circle. And in question is asking me area and radius of the circle. So student, I hope you have understood this question very well. So in this way you will try to solve next question. So in my next video, student, I will start from the question number 4. So thank you, student. Thank you very much.